So this is the water-fed pole pump that we sell at window washing. So what we're going to do is just take a look at briefly how it works. It's a 15-litre pump, and it runs for roughly 4 to 5 hours on a full battery. If you take a look over here, you'll see that this is the gauge to tell you how full the battery is. When I turn it on, and then you can adjust the flow rate as well, from flat out to pretty much any setting you want, and you can turn it off there. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is the lid. Take it off, fill it up with water, put it back on, close the lid. Very straightforward. To connect this pump to your 20 meters of hose that comes with either the 9 meter or the 6 meter water-fed pole, all you need to do is just use the quick connect. Here's the female part of the quick connect, here's the male part of the quick connect. You just push it, and then if you want to release it, you just pull this piece back and it comes off. So it's very straightforward. The water that should be used with this pump, it should be reverse osmosis water. And if you haven't seen our video on how to put together the reverse osmosis machine, please check that out.